How to manage categories in Wcart. Starting from Dashboard, navigate to Products from the left sidebar. Click on Categories to open the Category Management page, where you can view all your existing product categories. To add a new category, click the Add Category button in the top right corner. This opens the category creation form. Start by entering the category name. The system may automatically generate a URL slug, or you can customize it if needed. If this category belongs under another category, select the appropriate parent category from the drop-down list. You can also add a brief description to provide more information about the category. Click the Upload area, select an image from your computer, and confirm your selection. Complete any additional settings available, such as display status visibility, sort order SEO, related fields if applicable. Review all the information before saving. Once everything is complete, click Save. Your new category will be added successfully and will appear in the category list. If you need to make changes later, click the Edit icon beside the category. Update the required information, replace the image if necessary, and click Save to apply the changes. To remove a category, click the Delete icon next to the category you want to remove. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Confirm to permanently delete the category. Thank you for watching.